Hey guys, I'm Christina from HungryForever Bangalore, and today we are here at the Fixx, a new cocktail bar that's opened up right in Mumbai. The best part about this bar is that it's totally Bangalore-inspired, and it takes all the things that we know and love about Bangalore so well. It is Ajji-inspired cuisine, and we can't wait to see what they've got in store for us. Fixx Some of the items that we really enjoyed on the menu were the Bengaluru lamb chops, as well as the super delicious Bengaluru prawn masala. If you're a vegetarian, we suggest you try the street chow as well as the mushrooms. They were super delicious. We also enjoyed the vegetarian stroganoff. Yes, it is a thing and it's absolutely delicious. We also recommend the cocktails, and they have some super great happy hour deals as well. So if you're on a bit of a budget towards the end of the month, you know the place to go. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, as well as follow us on our social media, and don't forget to stay hungry.